Ever had to sand a body part? You scuff it up. Arms are bad, tired. Let me show you what I just found out. And I mean, I just found out. Take your scrubbies. Obviously, a non-paying advertiser. Believe it or not, sticks right on the palm sander. Makes life a lot easier. Scuffed it right off. Now, don't get me wrong, you're still going to have to do a little bit of elbow work here, but you're going to get the big parts done a lot easier, and you just got to get rid of the swirlies. I personally don't have a random orbit sander, so I got to work with what I got, but I'll tell you what, my arms feel a hell of a lot better for it. And there's your shop note for the week.